Do you know how this is going to affect my job?
Ever wondered how a simple traffic ticket in your personal car could affect your professional driving career? Let's dive into the often overlooked consequences. For professional drivers, your driving record is your livelihood. It's not just about what happens on the job. Your personal driving habits can have significant professional repercussions. A ticket in your personal vehicle isn't just a personal inconvenience. It can create a ripple effect that touches every aspect of your professional driving life. Understanding this connection is crucial for maintaining your employment, keeping your insurance rates manageable, and ensuring future job prospects in the driving industry. Let's start with the immediate fallout. A ticket can lead to a range of direct impacts that you'll feel almost instantly. One of the first and most noticeable consequences is often an increase in your personal car insurance premiums, which can quickly add up. Depending on the violation, you could also receive points on your driver's license. Accumulating too many points can lead to license suspension. Beyond personal costs, a traffic ticket can have serious employment consequences, impacting your current job security and future opportunities. Many employers regularly check their drivers' motor vehicle records. Even a personal ticket can be flagged by your company's safety policies or insurance requirements. Your motor vehicle record, or MVR, is a comprehensive history of your driving. A personal ticket will show up here, making it visible to current and prospective employers. A problematic driving record can significantly complicate your search for future employment. Finding new driving jobs, especially those that require a clean record, can become extremely difficult with a recent traffic violation on your MVR. Almost all driving positions involve thorough background checks and screening processes. Your MVR is a key component of these checks. If you do get a ticket, there are steps you can take to mitigate the damage to your professional driving career. Consider contesting the ticket if you believe it was issued unfairly, or if there's a legal basis to challenge it. Consulting with a legal professional can be beneficial. Some states allow you to take a driving school or defensive driving course to potentially dismiss the ticket or prevent points from being added to your record. It's often best to be proactive and communicate with your employer about the ticket, especially if your company has a strict policy on driving infractions. A personal traffic ticket is more than just a fine. It's a potential threat to your professional driving career. Awareness and proactive measures are key. Drive responsibly, both on and off the job. Your personal driving habits directly reflect on your professional capabilities and trustworthiness. We hope this video was a valuable reminder of the importance of your professional reputation, both on and off the clock. A single traffic violation can have consequences far beyond a simple fine. It can jeopardize the career you've worked so hard to build. If you found this insight helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to providing you with the professional guidance you need to stay safe, compliant, and successful on the road.